Welcome. This is a video based upon the basics of integrals, all the questions from the topic of integrals. So let's start solving from the basic questions, then go to the higher level questions. So the first question is asking about the find the integral of this. These are the standard formulas. I'm going to write it out the answers directly over here. Integral of cosine x is nothing but what? Sine x, and minus sine x is plus cos x, and 1 upon x integral is ln x plus c. Then coming to the second question, second one, part B there, 5 sin x will become negative 5 cos x, then negative 3 sin x, and 7 e power x is 7 e power x plus ln x plus c. X cube integral is x power 4 upon 4, x power 3 upon 3, x square upon 2 plus 3x plus c. Then it is 4x to the power of 4 upon 4 minus 12x cube upon 3 plus 6x square upon 2 plus 3x plus c. So what we can do, you can cancel 4 and 4, 3 and 3 times 4, 2 times 3. Then x power minus 3 becomes x power negative 2 upon negative 2 plus x power negative 1 upon negative 1. X power negative 1 will become ln x plus 3 integral is 3x plus c. Next it is 4x power negative 2 upon negative 2, 12x power negative 1 upon negative 1 plus 6 ln x plus 3x plus c. Then x power 1 upon 2 becomes x power 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2, which becomes 2 upon 3. X power 4 upon 3 upon 4 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 4 plus c. Then 5 x power 1 upon 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2 minus 3x power 4 upon 3 upon 4 upon 3 plus c. When I try to simplify this, that what should be the answer becomes like 10 upon 3x, 10 upon 3 x power 3 upon 2 minus 9 upon 4 x power 4 upon 3 plus c. That's going to be the answer. Coming to the next question there, x power 2 upon 5 plus 1 will become x power 7 upon 5, then upon 7 upon 5 the denominator becomes 5 upon 7, then x power 10 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 10 plus c. Then this becomes 7 x power 7 upon 5 upon 7 upon 5 plus 10 x power 10 upon 7 upon 10 upon 7 plus c. The answer should be for this becomes 5x power 7 upon 5 plus 3x power 10 upon 3 plus c. Then integral of e is a constant, so ex plus c. Pi square is also constant, pi square x plus c. Coming to the second question, 4x power 3. So first of all, what am I going to do? I am going to write it as integral of 4x power minus 3 minus 12x power negative 2 plus 6x power negative 1 plus 3. Now its integral answer is going to be nothing but what? Minus 2x power minus 2 plus 12x power negative 1 plus 6 ln x plus 3x plus c. So first we need to write it out the question into the standard form. Integral 8x power negative 5 minus 12x power negative 3 plus 6x dx. So answer for that one will become minus 2x power negative 4 plus 6x power negative 2 plus 3x square plus c. Then the next one, directly we can write it out. The answer for this one is going to be x power 4 upon 16 minus 2x cube upon 9 minus x power 2 upon 14 plus 3x plus c. And for the next one, first write it out in the standard form. What does it becomes? 1 upon 4 x power negative 3 minus 2 upon 3 x power negative 2, then minus 5 upon 7 times 1 upon x plus 3 dx. So answer for this going to be minus 1 upon 8 x power negative 2 plus 2 upon 3 x power negative 1 minus 5 upon 7 ln x plus 3x plus c. Now this in the standard form. First of all, 3 upon 4 x power negative 3 minus 2 upon 3 x power 2 dx. Now the integral answer for this one will become minus 3 upon 8 x power negative 2 minus 2 upon 9 x power 3 plus c. Now for this, it is 5 x power 1 upon 2 minus 3 x power 1 upon 3 dx. So it becomes, answer becomes 5 times 2 upon 3 x power 3 upon 2 minus 3 times 3 upon 4 x power 4 upon 3 plus c. So the answer becomes 10 upon 3 x power 3 upon 2 minus 9 upon 4 x power 4 upon 3 plus c. For this, first step is 5 x power 3 upon 2 minus 3 x power 2 upon 3 dx. So the answer will become 5 times 2 upon 3 x power 3 upon 2 minus 3 times 3 upon 4 x power 4 upon 3 plus c. So the answer becomes 10 upon 3 x power, so let me write it out the answer over here again. 2 times x power 5 upon 2 minus 9 upon 5 x power 5 upon 3 plus c. So first expand this. It becomes upon expansion x square plus 3x plus 2 dx. So answer is going to be x cube upon 3 plus 3x square upon 2 plus 2x plus c. First expand this. Upon expansion, directly I am writing it out. You will be getting 6x cube plus 7x square minus 17x minus 4 dx. So answer has to be 3x to the power of 4 upon 2 plus 7x cubed by 2 minus 17x squared by 2 minus 4x plus c. Then simplify this. It becomes 2x cubed plus 5x plus 1 dx. So it will become x power 4 upon 2 plus 5x square upon 2 plus x plus c. Now for this, first of all, simplification will become 2 plus 5 upon x plus x power negative 2 dx. So answer will become 2x plus 5 ln x minus x power negative 1 plus c. Simplification becomes 2 upon 3 x power 5 plus 5 upon 3 x power negative 1 plus 4 upon 3 x power negative 2 dx. So the answer becomes 2 upon 3 times x power 6 upon 6 plus 5 upon 3 ln x plus 4 upon 3 x power negative 1 upon negative 1 plus c. So my final answer is going to be x power 6 upon 9 plus 5 upon 3 ln x minus 4 upon 3 x power negative 1 plus c. Now these are the formulas, so very carefully to remember. Integral of sine is negative cosine 5x plus 3 divided by 5. Don't forget to divide by the derivative of the basic function. Sine 5x plus 3 upon 5. Then it is e power 5x plus 3 upon 5. Then 5x plus 3 whole to the power of 4 upon 4 times 5. Don't forget to write times 5. Then it becomes minus cosine 5x upon 5 plus c sine 5x upon 5 plus c e power 5x upon 5 plus c 5x whole to the power of 4 upon 4 times 5 plus c. Over here minus cos of x plus 5 sine of x plus 5 and don't forget to write plus c e power x plus 5 plus c x plus 5 whole power 4 upon 4 plus c minus cos of 1 minus x and don't forget to write divide by minus 1 plus c. Then sine of 1 minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. e power 1 minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. 1 minus x whole to the power of 4 upon 4 divided by times minus 1 plus c. In all these cases, you can simplify and write it as cosine of 1 minus x plus c minus sine of 1 minus x plus c minus e power 1 minus x plus c minus 1 minus x whole to the power of 4 upon 4 plus c. 1 upon 5x plus 3 will become ln 5x plus 3 absolute value upon 5 plus c. Ln 3 minus 5x upon minus 5 plus c. Ln x minus 3 plus c. And ln 3 minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. 8 ln 2x plus 1 divided by 2 plus c. 8 ln 1 minus 2x divided by minus 2 plus c. A ln bx plus c divided by b plus k, because already a constant c has been used. Now this comes integral of 5x plus 3 whole to the power of minus 2. So basically we have to remember one simple formula for this one. Integral of 1 upon x square dx is minus 1 upon x. If I use this formula, that will be useful. So all the questions are of that kind. So it becomes minus 1 upon 5x plus 3 times 1 upon 5 plus c. Then minus 1 upon 3 minus 5x times 1 upon minus 5 plus c. 1 upon x minus 3 plus c minus 1 upon 3 minus x times 1 upon minus 1 plus c minus 8 upon 2x plus 1 times 1 upon 2 plus c minus 8 upon 1 minus 2x times 1 upon minus 2 plus c minus a upon bx plus c times 1 upon b plus c. In all these cases, you can further simplify. It becomes minus 1 upon 5 times 5x plus 3. Minus minus cancels. 5 times 3 minus 5x. This one no need to simplify. This becomes 1 upon 3 minus x plus c. This one will become minus 4 upon 2x plus 1 plus c. And this will become 4 upon 1 minus 2x plus c. And this will become minus a upon b times bx plus c plus k. Question number 6. F prime x is given. Find f of x given that f of 0 equals to 3. So integral of f prime x dx will become, applying integral on both sides, so will become f of x 6x cube upon 3 plus 1x plus c. But f of 0 equals to 3. So 3 equals to 6 times 0 plus 0 plus c. So c equals to 3. So what will be f of x? F of x will become 2x cube plus x plus 3. Now f double prime x is given. What is f prime x? So if at all I find the integral of f double prime x, it becomes f prime x. So integral of 12x square dx. So f prime x equals to 12x cube upon 3 plus c. So that is going to be f prime x equals to 4x cube plus c. But f prime 0 equals to 3. So 3 equals to 4 times 0 plus c. So c equals to 4. C equals to 3. So what is f prime x? F prime x equals to 4x cube plus 3. Now find f of x. F of 0 equals to 2. If I apply integral for this one, then again I will be getting it out f of x. So f of x equals to 4x power 4 upon 4 plus 3x plus c. So f of 0 equals to 2. So 2 equals to 0 plus 0 plus c. So c equals to 2. So what is going to be the answer f of x? F of x equals to x power 4 plus 3x plus 2. Question number 8. F of x is given. Find f prime x. Very simple. F prime x is directly find the derivative. It will become 12x minus 3 sine x. Then integral of f of x. Integral of 6x square plus 3 cos x plus 1 dx. So it will become 2x cube plus 3 sine x. 2x cube minus 3 sine x plus x plus c. Question number 1, f prime x. This is f of x equals to x power 3 upon 2. So f prime x will become 3 upon 2 x power 1 upon 2 plus c naught x power 1 upon 2. Then integral of x power 3 upon 2 will become x power 5 upon 2 upon 5 upon 2 plus c. So which will become 2 upon 5 x power 5 upon 2 plus c. Then next f of t, integral of f of t. So first of all, integral of f of t dt will become t power 1 upon 3 minus t power 1 upon 3 divided by 2t power 5 upon 3 dt. I expanded it. So it becomes integral of t power 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 t power minus 4 upon 3 dt. So t power 1 upon 2 is t power 4 upon 3 upon 4 upon 3 minus t power minus 1 upon 3 upon minus 1 upon 3 plus c. So answer is going to be 3 upon 4 t power 4 upon 3 minus plus 3 upon 2 t power minus 1 upon 3 plus c. Question number 11. Expand it out. This will become x power. You can do in this way also, x power 3.5 minus x power 1.5 0.5 dx. So it will become x power 4.5 upon 4.5 minus x power 1.5 upon 1.5 plus c. For part B, integral of 3x square upon 3 root x minus x upon 3 root x plus 2 root x upon 3 root x dx. So it becomes integral of 3 cancels. X power 2 minus 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 x power minus 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 dx. So it becomes x power 5 upon 2 upon 5 upon 2 will become 2 upon 5, 1 upon 3, then 1 upon 2 will become 2, x power 1 upon 2, then plus 2 upon 3 x. This is plus 1 upon 2, so this will become 2 upon 3. So my final answer is 2 upon 5 x power 5 upon 2 minus 2 upon 9 x power 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 x plus c. Again and again, don't forget to write the derivative of the basic function or plus c. So sine minus cosine 3x plus 7 divided by 3 plus c. Part B, e power minus 4x upon minus 4 plus c. And part C, sine 1 minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. F of x is given. What is f double prime x? So first of all, I have to find f prime x. So which is 2 cosine 5x minus 3 times 5. So f double prime x will become 10 minus 10 sine 5x minus 3 times 5. So it becomes negative 50 sine of 5x minus 3. Integral of f of x. Integral of 2 sine of 5x minus 3 dx will become minus 2 cos of 5x minus 3 divided by 5 plus c. Question number 14, integral of 2x minus 7 will become 2x minus 7 whole square divided by 2 times again 2. So it becomes 2x minus 7 whole square upon 4 plus c. Now 1 upon this one, 1 upon x is integral ln 2x minus 7 plus divided by 2 plus c. For part 1, 2x minus 7 whole to the power of 3 divided by 3 divide by 2. Don't forget to divide by the derivative of basic function. And for this formula we have learned 1 upon x square dx is minus 1 upon x plus c. So for part 2, the answer is minus 1 upon 2x minus 7. Again divide by 2, derivative of the basic function. So final answer is minus 1 upon 2 times 2x minus 7 plus c. Question number 16. F prime x will become 5 times 3x plus 4 whole to the power of 4 times 3, which is 15 times 3x plus 4 whole to the power of 4. Integral will become 3x plus 5 whole to the power of 6 upon 6 times 3 plus c. Question number 17. 2x plus 5 whole cube derivative will become 3 times 2x plus 5 whole square times 2, which is 6 times 2x plus 5 whole square. Part 2, 2x plus 5 whole to the power of 4 upon 4, and again don't forget to divide by the derivative of basic function by 2. Question number 18. This is ln 2x plus 3 divided by 2 plus c. And question number part 2, minus 1 upon 2x plus 3. Again don't forget to multiply by 2 in the denominator plus c. And part 3, this one was part 1, part 2. Part 3, first write in the standard form 2x minus 3 whole to the power 2x plus 3 minus whole to the power of minus 3 dx. 2x plus 3 whole to the power of negative 2 upon negative 2 and times 2 in the denominator plus c. Question number 19. 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 3 upon 3 times 2 plus c. That is part A. Part B. So part B we cannot do in that way. So because derivative of 2x square will become 4x. So therefore what should I do? First of all, I'll expand it out. So integral of 2x square expansion is 4x square plus 4x plus 1 dx. Then it will become 4x cube upon 3 plus 2x square plus x plus c. Because if I want to divide by the derivative of the basic function, it becomes 4x. 4x is a variable. We will never divide by a variable. We can divide by a constant. So that is the reason we don't do in that way. Now for part C, first expand it out. It becomes 4x to the power of 4 plus 4x square plus 1 divided by x dx. It will become integral of 4x cube plus 4x plus 1 upon x dx. So it becomes x to the power of 4 plus 2x square plus ln x plus c. Question number 20. F prime x is given, f of 3 equal to 0, find f of x. So f of x will become integral of 1 minus x square dx. So that becomes x minus x cubed by 3 plus c. But f of 3 equals to 0. So 0 equals to 3 minus 27 upon 3 plus c. This gives me c value as 6. So what is f of x? X minus x cubed by 3 plus 6. Question number 21. dy by dx is given. Y is 13, x equals to 2. Find y in terms of x. So integral y equals to integral of x cube plus 2x minus 1 dx. So y equals to x power 4 upon 4 plus 2x square upon 2 minus x plus c. So 13 equals to 16 upon 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus c. This gives me c value as 7. So what is y equals to? X power 4 upon 4 plus x square minus x plus 7. Question number 22. F of x passes through the point 2 comma 6 given that dy by dx equals to 3x square minus 5. Find y in terms of x. So y equals to 3x square minus 5. So integral of 3x square minus 5 dx. So y equals to x cube minus 5x plus c. Now plug in 2 comma 6. So we'll be getting 6 equals to 2 cube minus 5 times 2 plus c. This gives me c value as 8. So what is y value now? X cube minus 5x plus 8. Question number 23. F prime x is given. So what is f of x? F of x will become integral of cos x dx, which is f of x equals to sin x plus c. So minus 2 equals to, but f of pi by 2 equals to minus 2. So sin pi by 2 plus c. So this is negative 2. So this gives me c value as negative 3. So what is f of x will become? Sin x minus 3. A curve with an equation f of x passes through 1 comma 1. The gradient of the function is this one. Find the equation of the curve. So integral of, so f of x will become integral of negative 2x plus 3 dx. So f of x will become negative x square plus 3x plus c. But it passes through 1 comma 1. So 1 equals to negative 1 plus 3 plus c. This gives me c value as negative 1. So what is f of x will become? Negative x square plus 3x negative 1. A gradient function x equals to 0, y equals to 8. So these questions I'm doing with GDC now. dy by dx is given, so I'll do without GDC. Without calculator also we can do. So integral f of x will become, or y will become, integral of 10 e power 2x minus 5 dx. So y will become 10 e power 2x divided by 2 minus 5x plus c. But it passes through 0 comma 8. So 8 equals to 5 e power 0 minus 5 times 0 plus c. So c will become 3. So what will be the equation? Y equals to 5 e power 2x minus 5x plus 3 when x equals to 1. So plug in x equals to 1. So y equals to 5 e power 2 minus 5 plus 3. So y value is going to be 5e square minus 2. Question number 26. The derivative of the function is given. The graph f passes through 0, 2. Find the expression for f of x. So f of x will become integral of 1 upon x plus 1 minus 0.5 sin x dx. So will become ln of x plus 1 plus 0.5 cosine x plus c. But it passes through 0, 2. So 2 equals to ln of 1 plus 0.5 cosine 0 plus c. So this gives me c value as 1.5. So what will be the answer now? F of x equals to ln of x plus 1 plus 0.5 cosine x plus 1.5. That's going to be the answer. Question number 27. F prime x is given. The graph y equal to f of x passes through the point 0, 4. Find an expression for f of x. So f of x is equals to integral of e power minus 2x plus 1 upon 1 minus x dx. So that will become e power minus 2x upon minus 2 plus ln of 1 minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. But it passes through 0, 4. So 4 equals to negative 1 upon 2 minus ln 1 plus c. This gives me c value as 4.5. So my final answer is y equals to minus 1 upon 2 e power minus 2x minus ln of 1 minus x plus 4.5. Question number 28. The graph of a function y equal to f of x passes through 3 by 2 comma 4. The gradient is given. Find f of x. So f of x will become integral of sine of 2x minus 3 dx. So which is minus 1 upon 2 cos of 2x minus 3 plus c. Substitute the conditions. 4 equals to minus 1 upon 2 cos 0 plus c. This gives me c value as 4.5. So what's going to be the answer? F of x equals to minus 1 upon 2 cos of 2x minus 3 plus 4.5. Find f double prime x. So what is that? 2 sine derivative is cos 5x minus pi by 2, and 5x derivative is 5. So it becomes 10 cos of 5x minus pi by 2. Now part B, f of pi by 2 is 1. Find f of x. So f of x equals to integral of 2 sine of 5x minus pi by 2 dx. So it becomes minus 2 cos of 5x minus pi by 2 divided by 5 plus c. Now plug in pi by 2 and equate to 1, because he gave that f of pi by 2 is 1. So what does that becomes? 1 equals to minus 2 upon 5 cos of 5 times pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus c. So 1 equals to 1 plus 2 by 5 cos 2 pi. So this will be the value of c. So which is 1 plus 2 upon 5, which is 7 upon 5. So what's going to be the answer? F of x equals to minus 2 upon 5 cos of 5x minus pi by 2 plus 7 upon 5. That is the answer for question number 28. Now 29. Now question number 30. Question number 30. We are going to do question number 30. So till now question number 29 has been done. Let's do for question number 30. F of x, f prime x is given. Find f of x, and it passes through 0 comma 1. So f of x will become 2 e power minus x divided by minus 1 plus 10 sin x integral is negative cosine x. So it will become negative cosine 5x divided by 5 plus 1 integral is x plus c. So what does it becomes? Minus 2 e power minus x minus 2 cosine 5x plus x plus c. Now 0 comma 5, substitute 0 comma 5 in that. 5 equals to minus 2 e power 0 minus 2 cosine 0 plus 0 plus c. This gives me the c value as 9. So what is going to be f of x? F of x will be minus 2 e power minus x minus 2 cosine 5x plus x plus 9. Then question number 31, f double prime x is given. Find f of x given that the maximum is 1 comma 5, point of inflection is 0 comma 3. Means these 2 points are lying on the curve. Now first of all find f prime x. Directly I am writing, when you find the integral, f prime x will become this will become f prime x. And f of x, again find the integral for this one. It becomes ax cube plus bx square upon 2 plus cx plus another constant may be d. Now he said point of inflection. Point of inflection means nothing but what? Second derivative should be equals to 0. Means f double prime of 0 should be equals to 0. So substitute that 0 equals to 6 times 0 plus b. I got the b value as 0. That is point of inflection. And f of 0 also should be equals to 3 because it is on the curve also. So when I substitute f of 0 equals to 3, so 3 equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus d. So d value 3. So I got b and d values. Next what he says, maximum. Maximum at 0 comma 5. What does it maximum at 1 comma 5? What does it maximum at 1 comma 5? F prime of 1 should be equals to 0 and f of 1 should be equals to 5. F prime of 1 equals to 0 means 3a plus c should be equals to 0. This is a plus c plus 3 should be equals to 5. So a plus c equals to 2. Now solve these two equations with simultaneous. We will be getting a is negative 1 and c as 3. So my final answer is going to be minus x cube plus 3x plus 3. Use the double angle identity for cosine 2x to express cos square x in terms of cos 2x. So cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So from there 2 cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x. So cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So integral of cos square x dx will become integral of 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2, which will become x upon 2 plus sine 2x divided by 4 plus c. Integral of sine square x. Same is the way sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So it becomes x upon 2 minus sine 2x divided by 4 plus c. Sin x cos x. So what I will do, integral of sin x cos x dx, multiply and divide by 2. So it will become 1 upon 2. Sin 2 sin x cos x will become sin 2x. So sin 2x integral is negative cos 2x upon 2 plus c. For part B, so that was part A. For part B, multiply again and divide by 2, 2 sine 5x cos 5x dx. So it becomes 1 upon 2 sine 10x. 1 upon 2 negative cosine 10x divided by 10 plus c. That's going to be the answer. Question number 35. 3 upon 2, x integral is x square upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 ln x plus 2 upon 3 sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. That's going to be the answer. Now coming to question number 36 onwards, it is based upon the word substitution. So first by direct inspection, 6, it is ln of 2x minus 3 divided by 2 plus c. For part 2, let u equals to 2x minus 3. So du by dx will become 2. So du will become 2 dx. So now what does that become? 6. 6 can be written as 3 times 2 dx divided by 2x minus 3. 2 dx is nothing but what? Du and u. So 1 upon u integral is ln u plus c. So it becomes 3 ln of 2x minus 3 plus c. Now over here substitution is 2x square minus 3. So what is du will become 4x dx. So I don't have 4x dx. I have only 6x dx. So what should I be doing it out? I should be multiplying and dividing by 4. So it becomes 3 by 2. 4x dx will become du upon u. Again, 1 upon u integral is ln u. So answer is going to be 3 upon 2 ln of 2x square minus 3 plus c. Now we can do by substitution u equals to 3x plus 7. So du equals to 3 dx. So that 6 can be written as 2 times 3 e power 3x plus 7 dx. Now 3 dx, what is 3 dx will become du and e power u. So e power u integral is e power u plus c. So 2 e power 3x plus 7 plus c. That's going to be the answer for part A. Coming to part B, u equals to 3x square plus 7. So du equals to 6x dx. So the question was integral of 6x e power 3x square plus 7 dx. We know that 6x dx will become du e power u. E power u integral is e power u plus c. So e power 3x square plus 7 plus c. That's going to be the answer. So substitution questions, you need to be very much careful in solving the questions. Now that one was question number 38. Now we will be doing it out question number 39. So let's go to question number 39. That one was question number 38. Now coming to question number 39. Let's try to solve that question number 39. Where is that question number 39? So question number 39, integral of 6x square plus e power 3x cube plus 7. So what's going to be the substitution? U equals to 3x cube plus 7. So du equals to 9x square dx. But I don't have 9x square. So what am I going to do? I'm going to pull that 6 outside. E power 3x cube plus 7 dx. As such, I don't have 9. Multiply and divide by 9. So it becomes 2 upon 3. Now 9x square dx will become du and e power u. So e power u integral is e power u plus c. So it becomes 2 upon 3 e power 3x cube plus 7 plus c. Coming to part B, u equals to 1 minus x square. So du equals to minus 2x dx. So I don't have minus 2x dx. I have only 2x e power 1 minus x square dx. So minus is missing, multiply with minus. Minus times minus is plus. So now we can see that minus 2x dx will become du and e power u, and that negative symbol outside is there as it is. So minus e power u plus c. So minus e power 1 minus x square plus c. Over here, substitution x square plus 1 equals to u. So du equals to 2x dx. As such, again, I don't have 2x dx, so what am I going to do? I'm going to bring the 3 outside and multiply and divide by 2. So it becomes 3 upon 2. 2x dx will become du sine u. Sine u integral is negative cosine u plus c. So minus 3 upon 2 cosine of x square plus 1 plus c. Over here, the substitution is u equals to x cube plus 1. So what is 2u? Du will become 3x square dx. So we can see that 3x square dx will become du and cosine u. Cosine u integral is sine u plus c. So sine of x cube plus 1 plus c. Question number 42. For question number 42, we can do by substitution. U equals to x cube plus 1. So du equals to 3x square dx. So it becomes du divided by u. So which is ln u plus c. So ln of x cube plus 1 plus c. Then 2 integral of x plus 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2 dx. So 2 x plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. So which becomes 4 upon 3 x plus 3 whole power 3 upon 2 plus c. That is for part A or first question. For the second one, u equals to x square plus 3. So du equals to 2x dx. So 2x dx will become du. This will become u to the power of 1 by 2 du. It will become u power 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2 plus c. This will become 2 upon 3 u power 3 upon 2 plus c. 2 upon 3 x square plus 3 whole power 3 upon 2 plus c. Coming to part 3, u equals to x cube plus 3. So du equals to 3x square dx. I don't have 3x square, rather than I have only x square. So when I have x square, then what am I going to do? Multiply by 3 and divide by 3. So it becomes 2 upon 3 u power 1 upon 2 du. 2 upon 3 u power 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2 plus c. So it becomes 4 upon 9 u power 3 u power 3 upon 2 u is x cube plus 3 whole power 3 upon 2 plus c. Question number 43. So u equals to sin x. For entire all questions, u equals to sin x. So what does du will become? Cos x dx. So first one, a will become integral of e power u du. E power u du will become e power u plus c, which is e power sin x plus c. B will become u power 1 upon 2 du. So it will become 2 upon 3 u power 3 upon 2 plus c. So 2 upon 3 sin x whole to the power of 3 upon 2 plus c. And c will become integral of u square du will become u cube by 3 plus c. So which will become sin cube x upon 3 plus c. Question number 44. Over here u equals to cos x. So du equals to negative sin x dx. We have 50 questions. We are there in 44th question. So du equals to minus sin x dx. So what does it becomes? Minus cos cube x sin x dx. So that minus and minus. So it will become minus u cube du. So minus u power 4 upon 4 plus c. So which will become minus cosine to the power of 4x upon 4 plus c. Question number 45. U equals to x square plus 9. So du equals to 2x dx. So 2 is missing, multiplying and dividing by 2. So it will become 1 upon 2 du by u. So it will become 1 upon 2 ln u plus c. So 1 upon 2 ln of x square plus 9 plus c. Question number 46. U equals to x square plus 9. So du equals to 2x dx. Again 2 is missing, so multiplying by 2 and divide by 2. So it becomes 1 upon 2 du by u square. 1 upon u square integral is minus 1 upon u plus c. So it will become minus 1 upon 2 times x square plus 9 plus c. Question number 47. U equals to x square plus sin x. So du equals to 2x plus sin x derivative is cos x dx. So this will become du upon u. So ln u plus c. So ln of x square plus sin x plus c. That is part 1. Part 2 will become u cube du. So will become u power 4 upon 4 plus c. So which is x square plus sin x whole power 4 upon 4 plus c. Now question number 48. U equals to e power x plus 1. So du equals to e power x dx. So this becomes u power 1 upon 2 du. So 2 upon 3 u power 3 upon 2 plus c. So it becomes 2 upon 3 e power x plus 1 whole power 3 upon 2 plus c. Question number 49. F double prime x is given. The minimum point is 3 minus 7. Show that f of f prime x is given and hence find f of x, f of 0, f of minus 1, f prime of minus 1 and hence sketch the graph. So total 13 marks question. So f double prime x is given. So what will be f prime x? Integral of that one will be integral of 2x minus 2 dx. So f prime x will become x square minus 2x plus c. But the minimum point is 3. So what is that? The minimum point is 3 means f prime of 3 should be equals to 0 and f of 3 should be equals to negative 7. Now plug in f of f prime 3 equals to 0 means 0 equals to 9 minus 6 plus c. So c equals to negative 3. So what will be f prime x will become x square minus 2x minus 3. Now I want f of x from here. So f of x will be integral of this one. X square minus 2x minus 3 dx. So f of x will become x cubed by 3 minus x square minus 3x plus c. But we know that 3 comma minus 7 lies on that one. So it becomes negative 7 equals to 27 upon 3 minus 9 plus c. So this gives me c value as 2. So what will be f of x will become x cubed by 3 minus x square minus 3x plus 2. That is f of x. Now coming to part B. In part B, find f of 0, f of minus 1 and 0. So just substitute f of 0 will become 2 and f of minus 1 will become minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is 3 2 upon 3. Finally f prime of minus 1 will become 1 plus 2 minus 3, which becomes 0. Now we know that f prime of minus 1, f prime of minus 1 equals to 0, means it is a stationary point. It is a stationary point. Then find f of minus 1. F of minus 1 is 3 2 upon 3. So therefore negative 1 comma 3 2 upon 3 is a stationary point. So we'll try to sketch the graph. Minus 1 comma 3 2 upon 3 will be a stationary point, and 3 comma negative 7 3 comma negative 7 is a stationary point, and f of 0 is 2. So joining all these, it should be a curve in this way, passing through 3 comma negative 7. This point can be 3 comma negative 7, and this point is minus 1 comma 3 2 upon 3. That is the shape of the curve. Last question, question number 50. The last question, consider the function f. The second derivative is given. It has minimum point and maximum point. Use the second derivative to justify b is maximum. Now b is maximum. Then now we know that second derivative at minus 4 upon 3. When you plug in, it becomes 3 times minus 4 upon 3 minus 1, which is negative 5. So second derivative is negative. So therefore, it's going to be a maximum point. Given that f prime x is given, show that p equals to negative 4. So what am I going to do that? F prime x is 2 comma 4. So minimum point is at 2 comma 4. What does that mean? The first derivative at f of f prime 2 should be equals to 0. So 0 equals to 3 upon 2 times 2 square minus 2 plus p. At minimum point, the first derivative should be equals to 0. So 0 equals to 6 minus 2 plus p. So this gives me p value as negative 4. Then find f of x. So integration will give you f of x will be giving you minus x cubed by plus x cubed by 2 minus x squared by 2, or else let me write it out neatly there. F prime x is given. So I will try to find it out f of x by finding the integral of this one, which is 3 upon 2 x square minus x plus p minus x minus 4 dx. Its integral gives me f of x. So 3 upon 2 x cubed by 3 minus x square by 2 minus 4x plus c. So which is going to be 1 upon 2 x cube minus 1 upon 2 x square minus 4x plus c. This is f of x. Now we know that 2 comma 4 lies on that one. So substitute 2 comma 4. 4 equals to 1 upon 2, 2 cube minus 1 upon 2 square minus 4 times 2 plus c. This gives me c value as 10. So therefore f of x will become 1 upon 2 x cube minus 1 upon 2 x square minus 4x plus 10. That's going to be the answer. So that completes this video. See you in the next video. Bye.